I'm Sheik the Geek, and as Sheik the Geek, I feel that it is my responsibility to bring you, the viewer, thank you for watching, videos about cool tech. Tech that you might have seen, tech that maybe you never even heard of, but more importantly, tech that might sometimes cost a lot of money. And that's okay, because I don't want you to spend your money. That is why Sheik the Geek is here, because I'm bringing you the coolest LED light panel on the market. I finally got the Nanoleaf Rhythm Edition light panels. This wall behind me is just a little bit too plain. So we're gonna unbox the Nanoleafs, come up with a cool design, see how it works, put them on the wall, and enjoy the show. This is gonna be pretty cool. Let's get into it. You know what? I think we're just gonna have to rip this thing. There it is. There are very few products that excite me. Products that involve lights always excite me. So first impressions, super light, which I'm glad they are because they are going on a wall, so you won't need that much adhesive. Nanoleaf provides all the adhesive and connectors you need to make these work. So this piece here in the middle is gonna be a connector that connects both of them, then everything's gonna light up. Let's get through the rest of the unboxing. Let's see what else is in here. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be stuff that gets power to the Nanoleafs, and then we'll plug it into the wall, we'll see how they work. So basically you have these three components, you connect them all together, one part goes into the wall, then it goes into this little brick here, and then from that brick it has a little cable going into the part that actually goes into the Nanoleaf. All you need is one of these little attachments to one of the Nanoleafs and it can power 30 of them at once. So that's gonna be pretty cool. There's one other thing inside of the box here that comes with the Rhythm Edition. This is actually the Rhythm panel. So you plug this into any one of the panels and it's gonna be a microphone that picks up the sound of your music that makes your light pulses with the sound. Also, Nanoleaf provides these little tracing papers that you can throw on the wall so you can get your design right before you actually permanently mount the Nanoleafs on them. So we've got 9 panels here. We'll see what kind of cool design we can come up with. I mean, these are so cool, man. I feel like you could throw these like ninja stars. Pew, 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 pew. So these are the little things that are gonna connect the Nanoleafs together. And then we've also got the adhesive to stick these onto the wall. So let's just take 2 of them and see what happens when we connect them together. Isn't that cool? Just kidding. Okay, we need an outlet. I guess the seat light's gonna go for now. Okay, let's plug it in and see what happens. This is how it goes. Oh, duh. I gotta take one of the adapters here and plug them in. So this one goes in here and then you line up another one like this, boom. And then you take this bad boy right here. Oh my God. Are you guys seeing this? Can you see this? Let's put on another one. It's another one. Let's plug in the rhythm panel and see if it can pick up our voice. Do we have to touch it? Does it work now? Oh! What's going on, guys? It's Sheik the Geek and thank you so much for watching this video. This is so cool. Oh my, how many panels we got? We got 9? What can I say about this so far? What I can say is that it's super easy to set up. You plug this into the wall. Obviously, we're gonna hide all these wires. They're gonna go up on this wall here. But what I can say right now is that this thing is exactly what I've wanted for so long. All right, so we've got 5 Nanoleaf tiles hooked up. We've got 4 more here. But in typical Sheik the Geek fashion, you know we had to buy some more. So I got some extras. So we've got a total of 27 Nanoleaf tiles. We're gonna come up with a super cool design. And right now, right this second, somebody is gonna win a... Gotta be quick. That's an Amazon gift card for one of you. Happy holidays. And right now, I'm gonna show you exactly the design that I came up with. I didn't even need a tape measure. What do I have to say so far? These things are super dope. I downloaded the Nanoleaf app. We're going to go in depth with this tomorrow. I'm going to call it a night for tonight because this took way more time than I thought it would be to set up. So tomorrow I'm going to come back. We're going to go through the Nanoleaf app. But first, before we get out of here for tonight, I just want to try one thing. Hey Siri, make the light panels red.
Okay, red it is.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. They really don't make tables the way they used to. This table I bought from City Furniture like 3 years ago. It's a dining room table that I have here, and there's so much little blemishes all over the place. Like, they just don't last. It's so dirty and stains just... Anyway, Chic the Geek here. It's a whole nother day. It is the next day since I installed the Nanoleaf. I took a shower, I went to work, I got a haircut, and now we're back. So why are we here today? So basically we're going inside the Nanoleaf app and we're gonna see all the cool features that it has built into it. But first, before we get started, hey Siri, turn on the light panels. That is super dope. Firing up the Nanoleaf app, we're greeted with our main dashboard, and our main dashboard has 4 different tabs. We have basic, color, rhythm, and group. So let's get started with basic. The basic modes are for your everyday practical lighting. So what do we have? We have a warm white color, then we have a reading light, and then we also have a daylight. All 3 of these probably look really similar on camera, but they all do serve their purpose. But you're not here to see these boring lights. You're here because you want to see these things glow all different types of colors. So let's get into that. So our second tab is going to be for all those cool color modes. So let's start off with the simple one. First, we have color burst. So the only annoying part of this video is that every time that I switch a mode, I have to bring the brightness down to 50%. Otherwise, the colors won't translate well onto the camera. So let's turn this down to 50%. Hopefully you could see them a little bit better. This is kind of your basic color scheme. It has your blue, your green, orange, purple, yellow, magenta, and white. But let's get into some other cooler ones. So we've got forest, which kind of shows subtle different shades of green. I like that one. That one's a pretty chill vibe. If you want to go find Nemo, you can pick the Nemo option. That'll be just orange and white. This would be pretty cool if you had this kind of over your TV and you're watching Finding Nemo. Maybe you could put this light on behind you. This one's pretty cool. There's a mint one in here that I like. The mint one goes good with my wall because I think the color mint kind of pops off of a gray wall. So I'm actually really happy that I have this color option. I might actually use this in my scenes a lot. But my favorite one so far is Northern Lights. So Northern Lights kind of goes through all the colors. It's supposed to simulate the colors you would see if you did see the Northern Lights. So it's comprised of a couple blues, greens, yellows, and then hints of like magenta and red. This one's really cool. I like this one. Let me know what you guys think. I might keep this one as the background always going on when I talk, but leave a comment down below and let me know, is this too distracting for everyone? I could go with a different solid color in every video. So these are just some of the preloaded scenes that you have in the color tab. The next tab over is gonna be our rhythm tab. So what you do is you just push this button, wait till it turns green, and as you can see right away behind me, it's picking up the sound of my voice. So let's just go through a few of these different modes. This one right here, this is called Meteor Shower. As you can see, it's picking up my voice, and they have a whole bunch of different modes that you can choose from, but by far my favorite one has got to be the sound bar. So this one here kind of looks like a graphic equalizer. So as it's picking up my voice, you can see the lights going from this side over to this side. This would be really cool if you were throwing a party in your house, or maybe you're just hanging out listening to some music. It's always cool to have a nice little light show inside your house. The last tab we have is for your groups. Basically, you can group all of your light panels along with other smart lights that you have in your home together to form specific tasks. So for example, I have a task that says good morning. So if I tell Siri good morning, all of my lights turn on to like 10% brightness. at a very warm hue. One of the cool features in the Nanoleaf app is you're not stuck to the presetted scenes that they have programmed in here. You can always push this plus button at the top and you have different options to create your own scene. But one thing I found pretty cool was if you head over to the Discover tab, you could find a bunch of scenes that have already been created by Nanoleaf users. And you could endlessly scroll the Discover tab for days. Let's just find one that catches my eye and see what it looks like. Let's do fireworks and firecrackers. So this is perfect. I like this scene, so all I have to do is download it. So I just click the download button at the bottom here and then hit download. I can create my own name or just keep it as is. I'm just gonna keep it as is for now and hit OK. So it's all downloaded now. So if I go back to my main dashboard and go over to color, if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see fireworks and firecrackers already downloaded and I can use it anytime now. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's the explore button here. These have a lot of tutorials on how to use the app. And then finally, you could set schedules. I mean, I have everything running with Apple HomeKit, so I don't really need to set certain schedules. At 6:30 in the morning, my lights will all automatically come off anyway, even if I don't tell Siri I'm leaving. But you could still set your own scene to happen at a certain time. I could set it to 5:30 in the morning, and I could set this for a daily routine. Select all my panels because I want them all to light up, and then I could set it to a certain color if I wanted to. What else can I say about the Nanoleafs? They're super cool. They definitely add a really great dynamic look to inside of your house. I mean, just think about it. Before, it was just a gray wall back there. Now look at all the colors behind me. Definitely cool. I love lights that light up. If you've ever been over here to my place, you know that all these lights change color, so I'm absolutely loving the Nanoleafs. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. These things are pricey, but you gotta pay to play if you wanna get some cool things on your wall like this. So basically, a pack 15 is going to cost you $250. Then I added on another pack of 9 for $170. And finally, an expansion pack of 3 more tiles for another $50. Do the math. It's a lot of money for lights, but the result is super, super cool. I have 6 more remaining. I didn't want to overload the wall. I think this design looks fine. I'm going to put the other 6 in my home office, make a little S for chic. So what do you guys think about this one? Would you buy this for your home? Let me know down below in the comments. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more cool content. Once again, my name is Chic the Geek. Thank you so much for watching. It used to be all white and like there was no spots on it. And you know what's funny is I don't even eat at this table. All I put on here was like a green screen to iron one time, and I do some unboxings. I mean,